It's my April Stitch Fix. Let's see what my stylist picked for me today. Hey divas, welcome to my channel, Dress Like You Mean It, where I do unboxings and clothing try-ons and shopping hauls and this and that. And if you enjoy those types of videos, then I hope you'll subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of my fun fashion adventures. So this is my April Stitch Fix, and I do think I made some requests. Kind of can't remember who I requested, what I requested from which box, because I got a wonderful box yesterday. Let me drop my envelope. So Stitch Fix is a styling service. You can subscribe and get them like every 2 to 3 weeks, every month, every quarter, on demand, whatever you want. They send you a postage paid envelope to send back the things that you don't love. And they have started a new thing for some people where you can get previews of your items. I was not offered that. So usually they just send you 5 items. And if you keep everything, you get a 25% discount. There is a styling fee of, I believe it's $20, or sometimes they will offer you what's called their Style Pass, which is $49 for the year. And any either monthly or that Style Pass, it will get credited to anything that you buy. All right, so this is kind of a small box, but got some weight to it, so let's check out the bundle. Okay. Some interesting looking things, pretty colors. So there is some white denim, which is pretty funny because, I'll put that down. I got some white denim yesterday in my Wonderable box, and I bought a pair of white denim from White House Black Market. But so we will see what that is. There is something navy and sweatery, something in a purple with some floral, something black, and something gray. All right, this is the other side. I wonder if they have a bundle making school at Stitch Fix. I forgot to mention, you do get a price list, which I wait to look at, and you get a note from your stylist. So, and my stylist is Cynthia. She does a great job, but I will wait until I look at things before I read that. Okay, on top we have got Gaiam. It's a hoodie. It's Gaiam Marissa hoodie in gray, and it's got thumb holes, long sleeved of course, and it's a pullover hoodie with looks like kind of a rounded hem. Little slits. It would be a good workout top. I'm not sure it's something that I would use. Looks comfortable, but I'm not much into hoodies for just wearing, and I don't know that it's something I would wear. But I will try it on. All right, next up is something from Nick and Zoe. Oh, this is cute. It's it's just a black skirt. Very cute. Little, what do they call that? That little slit in the back? Is that called a kickback or something? Doesn't look like any pockets. Got some stretch. And this is the Nick and Zoe Wonderstretch skirt, black, size 4. And that is something that I would have been all over when I was going out to work. I don't wear a whole lot of skirts, and when I do wear skirts, I wear them kind of flowy. All right, next up is a Daniel Rainn top, and it is in this kind of purple floral. It's got ties. It's just a nice, light, flowy material. Little bit of elastic at the sleeves, a kind of a squared off neck and a little bit of a rounded hem. That's really pretty. We'll see how that looks on. All right, next up we have a blue, navy blue cardigan. Got some pockets. It's a loose weave. It is Love Ellie, Adelle, 2-pocket Pointelle cardigan, navy small. That is nice. I definitely think that that's something that I would wear. It feels really good. I like navy. So, and then next up, this is so funny. I keep getting all this white denim. These are Democracy Absolution Ankle Skimmer in size 4, Karessa Capri Skinny Jean. So we will have to see. I think you can roll it down. I got a pair of, I actually think they are Democracy and they are a Capri. So we'll have to see where these hit me because I like them, but I don't necessarily need 2 pairs. All right, let's get to this try on. And I will show you my outfit of the day. All right. I am wearing some black jeans that I got from, I think it might have been a Wantable. They're Kenzie and they're super comfortable, super soft and thin, and I like them a lot. And then this is a black and white striped top that I got from the Nordstrom anniversary sale. And this is a Barefoot Dreams cardigan that I got from that same sale. So this is a long sleeve shirt. It does show every lump and bump, but I like it. And then this is of course super soft. And I've got this necklace that I got in my Oceanista box. And then my earrings I got in my Rocks box. So that's what I'm wearing today. I'm at home and just have my Ugg slippers on. So let's get to this try on. So these are the white Capri by Democracy, and they are definitely a Capri length. They are also a little roomy. My husband thought they looked too big. And then this is the blue sweater, and then this is just a top I got from Target a couple years ago. And then these are some kind of wedge sandals that I have. Sweater has the pockets. It's this loose kind of slubby weave, and it's got some cable. So I like the sweater. Got little slits there. I mean, who can't use a beautiful navy sweater? So I think this is definitely going to be a keeper. The jeans, I'm going to pass on them because I have a pair of white Democracy capris, and I just got those White House Black Market capris. So I'm going to go ahead and just take this off so you can see the jeans a little bit better up close. So they've got that stretchy waistband. Feels like there's a little bit too much room here. But it's a good pick because, because I have already picked it. So, all right, let's try something else on. This is the Rainn top, and I actually put on those other Capri white Democracy jeans that I had. So you can see that they're just pretty much identical. So let's talk about this top though. So it's a square neck, and it's got this tie detail, and my necklace is kind of getting in the way. Let me take this off. That's better. So it's kind of loose up here. Keeps showing my bra strap. It's a very pretty color. It's a nice, comfortable material, very light, woven material. The sleeves are okay. I don't think I am a square neck type of girl. So this is the back. Yeah, I don't like this square neck. I could also do like a front tuck like that. If this had a different neckline, I think I'd be all over it, because it's a really nice small print. It's pretty color, it's comfortable material, but I am just not feeling this neckline. So, okay, on to the next item. This is the Gaiam hoodie, and I just put on some Beyond Yoga joggers and my Mephisto white sneakers. So it has got the thumb holes, and it's a nice shirt. See, it's got kind of a rounded hem. It's also got this seaming detail. Can you see that? That seam kind of down around the front. It's a nice shirt. I just don't know that I would wear it because I usually work out inside. I have an exercise room and it's cool down there, but when I work out I get hot, and what I like to do is wear like a tank or a t-shirt and then put a hoodie over it so that when I get hot I can just take the hoodie off. So I'm not sure. This is very soft. It's very comfortable material. It's a fine shirt. I'm just not sure that I would get much use out of it. We'll see how much it costs, but my husband thought the arms seemed too long, even with the fact that it's got the thumb holes. So this is a probably no. We'll see what the price is. All right, I got one more thing to try on. Last we have the Nick and Zoe's Pull-Ons black skirt. I don't know that I would call this a pencil skirt. I guess you might be able to, but I feel like it fits okay. I don't know. There's nothing really special about it. It's got that kind of slippery material. And I just don't have anywhere that I would wear this. Yeah, so I think this is going to be a no. It's a nice skirt. It fits okay. I don't know, it fits okay across the tummy, but then there's nothing about the skirt that I dislike. There's nothing that I like. It's just okay. So I will come back with a recap and we will go over prices. I actually did have one more thing I wanted to show you. These are some pink shorts from STS Blue that I got from Stitch Fix Shop Your Looks. I don't know if they call it that anymore. I think they might just call it Shop now. And when I did that video, I had a pair of pink shorts and I couldn't decide about them, and I did end up sending them back because I didn't like the way they fit. I was just kind of on the fence about them. So these I like much better. Sorry, the camera was having trouble focusing there. So I like these much better. I feel like they're a much nicer fit. They have a little slit there. They're probably a 3-inch inseam, and they've got pockets. And I just paired them with this maroon tee that I got from Old Navy last year. And they've got, I don't know if those are real pockets or not. No, those don't feel like real pockets. So the back pockets are fake. So these I like much better. They were an easy yes. All right, now I will get back to prices. All right, so let's see what my stylist had to say. Hi Andrea, happy fix day. How are you? I'm so happy to style you again, though I'm sorry to see I missed the mark with your last fix. Sorry, dog's barking. I've pulled together some fun pieces for spring today, and I can't wait to see what you think. I started this fix with a new pair of white Capri skinny jeans by Democracy for easy spring go-to wear. Pair them with a Rainn detail top for a nice casual look. I thought the small floral detail would be a nice addition to your closet, and you can pair this with the pink STS blue shorts you recently ordered that I just showed you. I also included a casual pull-on skirt by Nick and Zoe for an easy closet staple to dress up or down. I hope you've enjoyed this fix. I can't wait to see what you think. Stay safe and well. Yours in style, Cynthia. I hate disappointing Cynthia because I really think she makes good picks. Unfortunately, she's several times picked things that I already have, which is not her fault at all. So let's get to the prices. So first on the list is the Marissa hoodie in gray by Gaiam, and this is $44. And I am not going to keep this because it's just not something that I would wear. So that is going to be going back. Okay. The Wonderstretch skirt by Nick and Zoe is, oh my, this is $118. This is not worth $118. I know that Nick and Zoe is a little bit of a pricier brand, but there is nothing about this skirt that says it's worth $118. So I wasn't going to keep it anyway because I just don't really need it, but that made it an easy decision. The Love Ellie Adelle 2-pocket Pointelle cardigan in small and navy is $48. I am keeping this. I am really looking forward to having this in my closet. So the Rainn Aurora tie detail top in burgundy, size small, is $64, which is kind of pricey for, just a simple top. I like this pattern, perfect pattern, beautiful color, love the material. It didn't fit well. It was like it kept sliding off my shoulder, and I didn't like the square neck. So that's going back. It's a good pick, but it just didn't work well for me. And then the Democracy Karessa Capri skinny jeans are $68, and those are going back because I have something that's pretty much identical. So if I had bought everything, let's see, the Stylist pick was $342. If I had bought everything, I would have gotten an $85.50 discount, and then it would come down to $256.50. What's really interesting is Stitch Fix doesn't add tax, and I'm sure they pay tax, but like with Wantable, there's a separate line for tax, so they must just incorporate it into the prices. All right, so the only thing I'm keeping is a sweater. Love the sweater. Really liked, several of the items in this fix, so I think she did a good job. I worry about hurting her feelings when I don't keep much. Does anybody else feel that way? I think she makes good picks. It's just they don't always work out. So if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. I will go ahead and put a link for if you've never done Stitch Fix before and you want to give it a try. There is a discount for your first try if you use my link. Usually it's $25. A couple times they have given me a $100 credit, and that's always for a limited time, and I always put that on my thumbnail. So if you want to try them out, I would get 25 or 100 or whatever the credit is that they offer. I would get the same as you, which is awesome because it helps me keep doing these videos. So leave me a comment. Let me know what you thought of this stitch. Let me know if you, or this fix, let me know if you worry about hurting your stylist's feelings. All right, until next time, divas, dress like you mean it.